we were so busy working on the hardware to try to get all the cellular networks to work and iterate on the hardware issues we were having. We kind of thought, hey, installation, that's your problem, customer. You figure it out. You're the one that drives the trucks around. You have the people. What do we know about installation? We're software people. But then as we started learning, this is also a problem because this slows down the installation velocity, and that's how we grow faster, is we get our customers to install faster. And so when we took the time to really dig in and talk to our customers, we started to learn all the reasons why they would fail installation, and they made sense. And so then we thought, well, I think that we can use software to create a process. And I think the takeaway from this talk is really about, you have to build a process to use the data. And so with installs, it was, well, why don't we just pre-fly the install? And so, we added things like the ability to upload images so that you could see what the tank looked like, what the plumbing looked like, what the access looked like. Created a notes field where you could say, here's the local contact, the hours of operation, and then, what the sensor should be named. You could pre-configure the sensor in software so that before the installer gets in his truck, he can look at the site on the map, look and get context and understand what he needs to be successful so that his chance of succeeding is much higher. And what we're finding is this is much more valuable than just install. It turns out having pictures is more important than any notes you can add or phone call that you can have.